Welcome to the web edition of FedRetire software. You can access this online version from our main website at fedretiresoftware.com or directly at fedretireonline.com. At the login screen, click Create New Account. You'll enter your name and email address and click Sign Up. You'll receive a notification that an account has been created, and you'll need to check your email for further sign-in details. That email will have a temporary password and a direct link to log back into the program. At the sign-in page, enter your email address and temporary password and click Sign In. You'll then be prompted to change your password. At this point in the process, you can either jump right into configuring your Google Drive, or you can skip that step. Since I'll be covering that in a separate video, I'm going to go ahead and click Skip. You'll now be at the home screen where you can click Purchase or activate a new license. Depending on the license you've purchased, select Personal, Professional Single, or Professional Enterprise Edition. First, let's take a look at a Personal Plus activation. If you have not yet paid for the software, click Unpaid and you'll be taken to the Purchase page to complete that payment. In this tutorial, we're going to assume that the software has been paid for, so we can walk through the entire activation process. Once you've selected Paid, select Activate License and your request will be immediately submitted. Upon approval, you will have access to all the features of the license that you paid for. You won't need to enter any codes or take any further action. Now, if you've purchased a Professional Edition, let's take a look at that activation process. From the home screen, you would select Purchase, Activate New License. From the drop-down, you'll select Professional Single or Professional Enterprise. Again, in this example, we'll be using a paid license. On this screen, you'll be entering your advisor information. 3 of these fields are mandatory. Those mandatory fields are the company name, advisor name, and phone number. You'll notice that your name has been pre-populated using the name that you previously provided. And this field is locked. It can't be changed as the software is licensed to one user specifically. So now you'll enter the rest of your advisor information and click Activate License. If you need to change or update any of your information other than your name, you'll be able to do that once the program is activated by visiting the Professional screen. Upon approval, you'll see that the software is licensed to you, the expiration date, and that you've been activated to the Professional level. Now it's time to dive in and enjoy the software.